These miniature car unboxing videos are absolutely blowing up right now, getting millions of views, and the best part is this new niche is only just getting started. People might think these videos take hours to create, but all you really need is one fully editable prompt and one AI tool. But before I show you exactly how to make them, take a look at this Instagram account called ASMR Mini Zane. They've got multiple viral videos, with their most viewed reaching over 7 million views. They've also got another one with 6 million views, plus several more with over 1 million views each. But that's not all. There's another Instagram account called Mini Moto Lab. They've only uploaded 31 videos so far, and their most viewed video was uploaded just 5 days ago. It's already reached over 2.4 million views and 75,000 likes. And check this out. This video was uploaded just 1 day ago, and it's already passed 800,000 views. That tells me this trend is only getting bigger, and I genuinely think it's about to explode. But before we get into the tutorial, let me show you what I created in less than 2 minutes. Pretty insane, right? Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you enjoy AI tutorials like this, because I've got plenty more coming. So first things first, head over to this AI tool called Akool. I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you've signed in, click Video, then Text to Video. Now choose the Seedance 2 model. As you can see, Gemini OmniFlash and Seedance 2 are currently 34% off with the Pro plan, so it's definitely worth checking out while the offer is available. Now all you need to do is copy my fully editable prompt. I've actually prepared 2 different versions for you. The first one creates much faster cuts, with a new scene roughly every half a second. The second version is a little less intense, and honestly, I think it actually performs even better. I'd recommend trying both and seeing which one works best for you. The only thing you need to change is the car brand, car model, and car color at the very top of the prompt. For this example, let's go with a Lamborghini Aventador in black metallic. Now copy the entire prompt, paste it into Akool, set the resolution to 4K, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, make sure the video length is set to 10 seconds, and click Generate. And that's it. Let me show you the result. Looks pretty crazy, right? Now let me show you a few more examples I generated earlier. And as you can see, it's that easy to create endless variations with different cars. But here's my favorite part. Even if you generate the exact same car in the exact same color multiple times, every output is slightly different. The camera angles change, the movement is different, the unboxing sequence changes slightly, and sometimes even the lighting changes. That means you can keep creating fresh videos without every upload looking identical, giving you almost endless variations of this viral content. Anyway, that's it for this video. You'll find both the Akool link and the editable prompts in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.